Dear friends, particularly the youth, you see how beautiful is the environment, and I can assure you your life will be also that much beautiful. But for this you need planning, a definite purpose, a goal of your life, but that goal should be really inspiring you, enthusiastically motivating you to work very, very hard. Because unless you work very hard, and you can only work very hard once you love it, and there is very clear reason that why you should work hard and why you should love it, because you have to live your entire journey of life with lot of necessary items: food, shelter, cloth, name, fame, reputation, and all these demands courage, conviction, motivation, passion. Unless you have all these qualities, you cannot have a palace in this beautiful environment. So I tell you, it is very much possible. Nothing is impossible for a brave person who has determination, commitment, passion and willpower. You might have been a loser till now. Maybe you must have lost so many battles because of your ignorance, indolence, thoughtlessness and useless attitude. Your focus may not be that good. Your concentration may be diverging, scattering thoughts that made you really failures. But now it is a time you take full responsibility of your life, commit yourself, dedicate yourself and really shape the destiny of your future. It's never too late. It is never impossible for anybody who wants to become great in life. So dear children of the country and abroad all over on this planet Earth, it is very important that you should commit yourself, dedicate yourself, love what you do and be ready to win or perish, victory or death, do or die. Your determination, your real power is really going to measure. If you miss this chance of your youthfulness, you are definitely going to be a miserable person. The whole journey of life will not be a blessed life, but will be a very miserable life. So what I request you, dear friends, particularly the youth of this country, you have a bright future ahead of you. Commit yourself, dedicate yourself, put your best, seek the advice of the best people, but you are alone in the battle. Nobody is more powerful than yourself to help you. So there is no limitations to your success. What you want you can be, but it depends on your courage, your willpower and your conviction. You will be what you will to be. There is no doubt about it. But you have to put your best. There are two possibilities. You can be great, you can be small, and that depends on your willpower. You will be what you will to be. Be not impatient, delay but wait. And as one who understands, when his spirit rises and commands, the gods are ready to obey. Human being has conquered time and space. Elon Musk was a failure, but he is having a SpaceX, Tesla Electric Motors company. Now he is the second richest man. Assets more than $1 billion, $100 billion. Just after Bezos. You can be such great rich people. You can be a great tennis champion. You can be a great successful people. You can be a very great philosopher. Everything is possible. But are you ready? Time is passing. Move with time. Every moment must coherently move with your dreams, with your desire, with your passion to fulfill the dreams of your burning desire, the consuming obsession of your life. Learn from Julius Caesar. Win or perish. There is only one way. There is only one go. You have to go or you perish. Learn from Napoleon the Great. We create circumstances and environment. That is the creation of your courage, willpower and mind power. Nothing is impossible. Believe it and do it. You can do it because you are blessed with the power of mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. Thank you and best of luck. Go ahead and get it what you want in life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.